Hello everybody and welcome from my own wildlife pond where I've just discovered something very exciting. It's the third time it's happened. It's that time of year, and as a pond owner I love this time of year, and I'll show you why in a minute. As you can see, I have this year's first batch of frog spawn. So I've had my wildlife pond now, this is its third year and this is its third batch of tadpoles, which is very exciting. And I will be doing some regular updates on the status of this now to show you on the channel.